Does collision insurance cover headlight damage? Have you ever wondered what happens to your headlights if they get damaged in a car accident? It's a common concern for many drivers. Let's break down how collision insurance works when it comes to headlight damage. Collision insurance is designed to cover damages to your vehicle resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object. So, if your headlights are damaged because of a crash, collision coverage can help pay for their repair or replacement. This is true as long as you meet your deductible and stay within your policy limits. To clarify, collision coverage kicks in when your car hits something or is hit by another vehicle. This includes accidents involving fences, poles, or other objects. If your headlights are damaged in such a scenario, they are generally covered. However, if the damage happens due to non-collision events, like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters, collision insurance will not cover those incidents. For headlight damage caused by non-collision events, comprehensive insurance is the coverage you need. This type of insurance protects against issues like theft, fire, hail, or falling objects, but again, it is also subject to a deductible. If you find yourself with a damaged headlight after a collision, here's what you should do. First, document the damage with clear photos taken from multiple angles. This will be helpful for your insurance claim. Next, contact your insurance provider as soon as possible to report the incident. After that, it's a good idea to get repair estimates from reputable auto repair shops. This will give you a clear idea of the costs involved. Then, you can file a claim with your insurance company, providing all necessary documentation, including those photos and estimates. Keep in mind that you will likely need to pay your deductible before your insurance covers the remaining repair costs. If the total repair cost is less than your deductible, it might be more practical to pay for the repairs out of pocket. In summary, collision insurance does cover headlight damage only if it results from a collision event. For other types of damage, you will need comprehensive coverage. Always check your specific policy details and consult your insurer to confirm your coverage and deductible amounts before moving forward with any claims.